Looking for the perfect gaming PC but not sure where to start? Stick around, because today we're ranking 5 incredible gaming desktops from the underdogs to the absolute beast. Kicking off our list at the number 5 spot is the STG Albron ABR0122. It's an entry-level gaming rig that tries to punch above its weight class, but it struggles a little in today's fast-moving gaming world. If you're just getting into PC gaming or want something simple without breaking the bank, this could be your starter machine. Under the hood, you're getting an older but still capable Intel Core i7 paired with an AMD Radeon RX 580 graphics card. For casual 1080p gaming, it handles most titles decently well. Plus, the RGB keyboard, mouse, and even an RGB soundbar included in the box are a nice touch for the price point. However, the RX 580 is definitely showing its age, especially when you try playing the latest AAA games. Limited upgradability and a lack of manufacturer support also mean this isn't the machine you'll want for long-term investment or serious performance upgrades. If you're on a tight budget and want a plug-and-play experience for lighter gaming, the STG Albron could still be a fit, but hang tight, the options only get better from here. By the way, you can find links to all these products at the best prices right in the description below. At number 4, we have the CyberPower PC Gamer Master GMA3100A. It's a clear step up from the STG Albron, but it still falls a little short if you're looking for top-tier power. It's a solid choice for casual to moderate gaming, offering newer hardware and a stylish design. You're getting a Ryzen 5 processor, which is faster and more energy efficient, and the RX 6400 GPU makes a real difference in smoother gameplay at 1080p settings. It's upgradable, it looks sleek with its RGB lighting, and the overall build quality feels much more premium compared to the STG Albron. That said, the RX 6400 isn't a powerhouse, and if you ever dream of high-res or VR gaming, this rig will quickly show its limits. Plus, the 500GB SSD can feel tight if you're loading a bunch of modern games, and the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth standards are a bit outdated. If you want something affordable that you can upgrade later on, this CyberPower PC is worth checking out. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out and keeps the reviews coming. Landing at number 3 is the ALCPOK GRX1, a surprising competitor that punches well above its brand recognition. If you care more about pure gaming horsepower and less about the name on the box, this is where the real fun starts. With the latest gen Intel Core i5 and RTX 4060 GPU, this PC delivers fantastic 1080p and even some solid 1440p gaming performance. You're also getting a generous 32 gigs of RAM and a lightning fast 1TB SSD, which makes multitasking and game loading buttery smooth. Now, here's the catch. ALCPOK isn't a household name, and some users have pointed out less than ideal cable management and limited upgrade paths due to proprietary parts. Plus, customer support might not be as robust compared to bigger brands. For budget-conscious gamers who want maximum performance for their dollar and don't mind rolling the dice on a lesser-known brand, the ALCPOK GRX1 is definitely worth a serious look. Our runner-up is the Dell Alienware Aurora R16, a sleek, powerful, and highly recognizable machine. It delivers reliable performance in a compact package, plus it's backed by Dell's excellent support network. Inside, you're getting a screaming fast Intel Core i7, a healthy 32 gigs of ultra-fast DDR5 memory, and a smart combination of a fast SSD with a huge 2TB HDD for storage. It also comes with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, offering next-gen connectivity that ensures you're always ready to game online without lag. The RTX 4060 is where it slightly lags behind when compared to top-end gaming needs. It's a great card for 1080p and decent for 1440p, but serious 4K gamers might find it limiting. Also, Dell's proprietary components can make future upgrades a headache. If you want a hassle-free premium experience right out of the box with a name you can trust, the Aurora R16 is a fantastic choice. And now, at number 1, the absolute monster, the the Empowered PC Panorama Gaming. This thing is not just a gaming PC. It's an absolute powerhouse designed to future-proof your setup for years to come. It features a Ryzen 7 9700X CPU, an insane RTX 5070 Ti with 16GB of VRAM, ultra-fast 32GB DDR5 memory, and a blazing 1TB NVMe SSD. Plus, the panoramic tempered glass case and 10 ARGB fans make it look as good as it performs. It's the type of setup you dream about when you think of elite gaming rigs. The only downsides? You're paying a premium, and availability can be a little tricky because everyone wants a piece of this beast. It's also slightly more power hungry compared to more modest systems. If you want the best gaming experience with no compromises and the absolute top tier performance in today's market, look no further than the Empowered PC Panorama Gaming. That's a wrap on today's Ultimate Gaming PC lineup. Don't forget, you can check out all these amazing rigs at the best prices by hitting the links in the description below. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.